Alright, let's just get into it. Just bought the Max Lens Mod from GoPro. Comes with this little package, like all of GoPro stuff. The idea is to make it like the Max. I really don't know. All I know is it's gonna make it more wide angle, right? And I think it says on it that it gives it a max out your stabilization and field of view with the Max Lens Mod. So I want to max out my stabilization. That's why. Comes with a little sham and then a little case here for it. There we go. So that's it. Cool. Show you real quick how to put it on. So take your GoPro. It's just going to be a clockwise turn, and you can't have to like push it in to it. So you go pushing in, and then you do a clockwise. It's only like a half turn. It's not quite a. It's like a 90. I think you're doing a 90. And there's little grooves in the back of it. If you can see right here. And on your GoPro also matches it, right? But you want to start with that Max Mod up top. Okay. Then you're going to push that in. You're going to do that same clockwise motion. Okay. There you go. And it's on there. So sticks out a little bit more, but it's gonna max out your stabilization. $100. Just one got over at the Best Buy. I'll show a little footage with it. Oh, one thing to note before I forget. I tried to do the time lapse with it, and it still gave like a vignette around it. Is that how you say it? Vignette? I really don't know. But it makes it look like a like an old school fisheye. But in the video, it doesn't do that. So now on this one, I think you are going to go back with it, yeah. So to take it off, you're going to push it in, and you're going to do it counterclockwise, okay? So that Max Mod is back up. Gives you this nice little protective case for it, for your mod. Turn and clean it. With your sham. Alright. Okay, and we're gonna go clockwise. Locks it in there. It's quite a bit of a difference, I think. It's sticking out a bit. But yeah, I'll give you more of a detailed little thing when I get the opportunity to really mess around with it. So anyways, see ya. This is at 5K, 30 frames wide with the original. This is with the 5K on the with 30 frames per second on the wide with the Max Lens Mod.